5-speed manual, 2.7L, SR5 package, regular cab, long BOX, 4x4, factory running boards, factory budliner, grey cloth seats, non-power seats, bucket seats, towing package, receiver hitch, transmission cooler, and wiring. Dunlop Grandrec AT20 P245/75R16 tires, factory Steely rims, power mirrors, state-of-the-trick traction control, CD player, O-jack, side curtain airbags, all-weather floor mats, bug shield, compass and outside temperature display, air, cruise control, tilt, power locks, power windows, clean auto check. This truck is eligible for a 100,000-mile parts and service agreement. This is one of our cleanest 2010 Toyota Tacoma regular cab long box cloth stick Senior 5 2.7-liter four-wheel drive trucks we have on our lot. Make your move on this NIC 4WD today. Call now. 1-866-606-9906. View our complete inventory of around 500 vehicles at www.lenzauto.com. If you are looking for financing, Lenz Truck Center can help. We have on-the-spot financing. Bad credit or good, we will work with our 17 banks to get you approved and for a great rate. If you live far away or close to us, we make it our promise to make sure you are a happy customer before, during, and after the sale. Lenz Truck Center has been in business and family-owned for 25 years. With a new generation taking over, we plan on making this the place you and your children buy their next vehicle. Lenz Truck Center is the country's fastest-growing dealership. Lenz Truck Center has grown from about a 40-vehicle inventory in 1999 to over 400 today. Our selection is unmatched in the industry, with more high-quality used trucks than anyone in the Midwest. All here in Fond du Lac, WI. All of our vehicles are Lenz certified and ready to be delivered. Disclaimer: dealers shall in no way be held liable for any errors or omissions to be found on these web pages. All prices are plus any applicable state taxes and service fees. We will do our best to keep all information current and accurate, however the dealership should be contacted for final pricing and availability.